Hi, I'm Marcy Degman, the aspiring gardener, and today we're going to talk about landscaping for wildlife. The first thing to remember is that there are three basic things that they need: water, shelter, and food. So if you can, have a bird bath or any kind of a vessel with a little bit of water somewhere in the area that you want to attract birds and other wildlife to. Have somewhere for them to hide, to nest, and to perch. Here I have a really large fir tree which takes care of all of those things. There's a number of birds and different animals that I see going up this tree all the time, and part of the reason is the pine cones or fir cones, whichever kind of a tree you have. This is food to a lot of animals: birds, squirrels. You'll see them up there gathering all kinds of seed. So that alone is food. So behind me there's a bird feeder which I keep seed in all year round. So you can always add food if you don't have a lot of berry plants, nut plants, cones. There's a lot of perennial plants that have seed this time of year that a lot of wildlife like. So there's a number of ways that you can attract different animals to your garden. Another thing you might want to provide are bird houses. They like to eat out of feeders, but they like to nest in bird houses. So give them cover, give them water, and provide food, and you'll have a myriad of wildlife year-round.